As a warm-up activity for this session, we're going to do a comic jam. First, print off at least one of the comic jam worksheets. They all have different titles and starting points, so pick one that inspires you. A comic jam is a way of collaboratively making comics. I'm going to start off with the bird family worksheet, and I'll be doing it together with a friend. One artist draws the first panel, which I've done in your worksheets. Then a different artist draws the next. That's you. I've already done the first panel, so I'll pass it over for the second one. We keep swapping back and forth, drawing one panel each, until the comic is done and we can read it together. You don't need to keep the previous panels a secret, so you can read the comic as you go along. This way, you can think about the best way of telling the story and making it all work together. But you can also add strange and funny plot twists to challenge the people you're drawing with. Remember the 3-act structure as you draw. We want the story to have a fun conclusion. If you have a bigger group of people, you can take it in turns, each drawing one panel until the story is done. Let's have a look. It was raining when the little family woke up. "Oh no, the nest is getting wet," said Mum. "I better go fetch us some big leaves," said Dad. "Yes," said Dad, as he found some really big leaves. He flew back home, bringing the leaves to his family. Daddy Bird held up the leaves and said, "I'll protect you and the babies." And then the rain stopped, and even the little ones came out. The end.